Hi, I'm John from PHLster, and I'm coming to you today with a big announcement, an announcement that requires notes. So I'll be referring to these. On March 3rd, we are releasing upgrades for the entire Enigma family of products. So since day one, we've been, doing some rolling improvements and whatnot, between, materials and design and what forth. And we kind of just roll them into production as we go. However, this time, several major components are being changed simultaneously, specifically the faceplates and the leg leashes. This will not be a rolling change, but it will essentially be a new version. It's not going to be like a 2.0 or whatever. It's going to be like a 1.5, not a really huge revision, but it's significant enough and it involves enough components that we are doing a hard stop on the old one and a fresh start on the new ones. With that being said, for the next 2 weeks, all Enigmas are going to be 30% off. This is to clearance the old inventory. For the next 2 weeks, if an item goes out of stock, it will remain out of stock until the new version launches. We're trying to get rid of the old ones and also kind of create a circumstance in which anyone who buys one for the next 2 weeks won't feel shortchanged that the new one came out, which is why it's going to be at a big discount. The changes that we're making are incremental improvements. They are not huge game changers. The new version will not be unrecognizably different or include some, amazing revolutionary new concealment magic. We've addressed a couple key areas of convenience and consistency and daily livability with a few targeted, thoughtful changes. This announcement is not hype. We are not building anticipation or demand. We are giving everyone a heads up so they don't feel rug pulled that they just bought a new Enigma at full price and that we're springing something new on them. The improvements we're making are not insignificant, but they're also not game-changing. So have chill expectations. In addition to having complete new systems in stock on March 3rd, we'll also be offering upgraded components as complete upgrade kits. If you decide that upgrading your Enigma is right for you, please keep in mind that if you buy a clearance Enigma in the next 2 weeks, with the expectation of buying the upgrade kit later, you will ultimately have spent more in total than had you just waited and bought the new system, because the Enigma as a system is not going to be affected by a price increase. It will remain the same price. These upgrade kits will be available from March 3rd through April 3rd. For a month, Enigma customers will be able to order upgrade kits for their Enigma systems. However, after a month, the upgrade kit will be discontinued. This is for two main reasons. One, our most popular product, the Express, was designed to be a no assembly required solution, and the upgrade process will surge customer support workload on our end. Unfortunately, we can't sustain that surge in a perpetually ongoing or permanent way. So we kind of want to get the upgrades, get everybody upgraded and happy in a 30-day period, and then go back to the kind of like happy, no assembly required, usual state of affairs with the Enigma Express. The second is to both protect our brand and our customers. We don't want to accidentally supply a market for bootleg Enigmas by offering parts kits. We spend a lot of time designing these things to work in the way that we expect them to work and in the way that we promise you that they're going to work. And we don't want to have, thousands and thousands of these parts kits out in the world being assembled into suboptimal systems with our name on it by people who are happy to take your money without doing any of the due diligence that we've done in order to create the product. So we want to make sure that that doesn't harm us, and we want to make sure that that doesn't harm you either. So the compromise that we have to make in order to manage the workload, ensure that our customers get everything they need in terms of personal and product support, while not turning into a make your own Enigma supply operation for other companies, is to limit the upgrade window for 30 days. We really hope you understand that. We went back and forth about how we were going to do this upgrade at all, what the parameters were going to be for it, and this is what we decided on as being the both kind of the best and sometimes the worst of both worlds for everyone involved. But we want to make sure that everybody has a 30-day window to get their parts kit, upgrade kit, and that we've got plenty of time to help everyone who upgrades. And of course, we're going to have a ton of great instructions ready to go on March 3rd to help assist everyone who decides to upgrade, and all warranty service from March 3rd onward will include the upgraded parts. So keep it tuned here on our YouTube channel for further announcements. You can also join the PHLster Concealment Workshop on Facebook. Ask any questions you want there. Email us, leave a comment, the works. We're happy to answer all of your questions about this, and we will be revealing the Enigma upgrades on March 3rd.